tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 46 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, which consists of the F sharp and G sequences of scales and arpeggios for 3 octaves written out in full. No instruction is provided, and this material is presented without dynamic or articulation markings. While you should aim to practice all your scales and arpeggios from memory from the outset, the worksheet provides the opportunity for you to add your own notes about fingerings and other technical issues for future reference. Each sequence should now consist of the major scale, both forms of minor scale, the major and minor arpeggios, the dominant and diminished sevenths, and the chromatic scale starting on the relevant note. Here is the F sharp sequence for 3 octaves. And here is the G sequence for 3 octaves. Practice Plan 46 instructs you to play these 2 sequences every day. The other 10 sequences are split into 2 groups to be alternated over the course of the 6 days. This is a much longer daily drill than it appears on the page, but you should be able to get through everything pretty quickly by this stage.